As we said, we have got the cat moving and the birds disappearing, and we sorted out the sound by just reloading that bird file. So now the sound is working. The next thing we want to do is add the score. The way we do this is to actually add another object. So we'll just have a look at this. So let's get rid of the room for the minute. We're going to add another object. So we go to Object, and this one we're going to call Object Controller. OBJ underscore controller. It's going to be visible, it's not going to be solid, and we're not going to do much else to it, but we're going to add an event. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a draw event. We're going to draw a GUI, or a graphic user interface. The next thing we're going to do is to add the score, and we're going to put a draw score in here. Okay, that will put it at the very top of the screen, 0x, at the very top right hand corner of the screen, and it's going to have score and a number. So we'll go OK. We actually want to change the color of this, so we go to Draw and we drag up the colors, and it's got to be the color setting. The color has got to be before we do the draw score. We want a color that's going to stick out against the brown, so I reckon perhaps a dark green. We'll give that a go. Alright, so the color of our score is going to be green, and it's going to appear on our game. So that's what we've called it: Object Controller, Visible, and OK. The next thing we have to do is go to our room and add it. Whoops. So what we do is we go to the objects, and here's our object wood. We go to our list of objects, and we can see there's an object controller. We go that, and we're going to put it right there in the corner. So there's our object controller. You can't see it at the moment, but it is there. Now, okay, and we tick OK. So we've added that to our room. Let's see what happens now when we run our game. Okay, what we've done wrong, whoops, just get rid of that, is we'll go back to our objects, we'll go to our object controller. We've got to add it elsewhere in the room, so we're going to pop it here, and there we have added it there. So it's actually not on top of something else, it's on a spare space in the room, and then we go OK. Now let's run our game. Okay, we start. Now you'll notice here the score is 0, and watch as we get the birds, it increases by 10 each time. And it will go through and add the score for each one of those. Now we're going to also look at how we're going to get the last bit of the game to work, as in a portal to the next level.